रोटरी क्लब अफ तिनकोने काठमाडौँ प्रस्तुत गर्दछ रोटरी सम्बन्धी विविध समाचार, विचार एवं संवादलाई समेटिएको कार्यक्रम जय रोटरी।
I do solemnly pledge that I will faithfully execute the duties of the office of President of Rotary Club of Kantipur, and that I will do the best of my ability to support District Governor Rotary Binod Koirala and Rotary International, and that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary Club of Kantipur. Thank you.
We thought the primary school teachers are the one who establish foundation of the children, the future. And we had decided to recognize their contribution. And we tried to get as many nominations as possible. And there was a committee which went through the qualifications and others. And two very competent teachers have been selected. One male, one female. And I hope this tradition will continue for a long time to come. And by providing them this award, I hope they will also multiply their quality to other teachers also. With this brief background, I like to introduce those two teachers.
This award, the Rotary Club Kantipur Sushila Kiran Patron Award, is given in recognition for the exemplary contribution towards the holistic development of primary level children in community schools. This year, for the female version, the Mrs. Pavitra Lamsal has been chosen from Sri Anuradha Secondary School, Gokaneshwar, Harabari, Kathmandu. I would now request her to come in front, please. The other recipient is Mr. Prem Bahadur Ring Kingring from Sri Pokhara Secondary School, Bhimkhori, Bhadure Kavre, Rosi Rural Municipality. So I'd like the district governor to do the honors, please. Inspired them to be primary teachers.
सबैजनालाई नमस्कार। म पवित्र लम्साल अरुणोदय माध्यमिक विद्यालय गोकर्णेश्वर 9 काठमाडौँबाट। म चाहिँ गोकर्णेश्वर नगरपालिका वडा नम्बर 9 काठमाडौँ उक्त विद्यालय अरुणोदय माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा पढाउन थालेको शिक्षण गर्न थालेको चाहिँ 6 वर्ष भयो। मैले त्यस विद्यालयमा कक्षा 3 र कक्षा 5 मा कक्षा 3 का 2वटा सेक्सन र कक्षा 5 का 2वटा सेक्सन गरेर 4 घण्टा पढाउने गरेको छु। मैले उक्त विद्यालयमा गरेको कामलाई देखेर आदरणीय प्रभात सरले गर्नुभएको रिफर र कान्तिपुरले गरेको सम्मानलाई हृदयदेखि नै धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। नेपाल सरकारले गर्न नसकेको प्राथमिक तहका टिचरहरूलाई गर्ने व्यवहार भन्दा हजुरहरूले एउटा टिचरहरूलाई चाहिँ के गर्न सकिन्छ, कसरी इन्करेज गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर एउटा एक्जाम्पल दिनुभएकोमा हृदयदेखि नै आभार प्रकट गर्दछु। मेरो विद्यालय र म हजुरहरूप्रति अत्यन्तै कृतज्ञ छौँ। यो इभिनिङको समयमा सम्पूर्णप्रति हजुरहरूले गर्नुभएको सम्मानलाई कहिले नबिर्सिँदै मेरो जिन्दगीको सबैभन्दा ठुलो उपहार मलाई प्रदान गर्नुभएकोमा हार्दिक आभार प्रकट गर्दछु।
म काभ्रे पलाञ्चोक जिल्ला रोसी गाउँपालिका वार्ड नम्बर 11 स्थित श्री पोखरा माध्यमिक विद्यालयको प्राथमिक शिक्षक प्रेमबहादुर किङ्ग्री। मैले त्यस विद्यालयमा 2041 सालबाट चाहिँ मैले पहिलो मेरो शिक्षण सुरुवात गरेँ र 44 सालमा अस्थायी नियुक्ति लिएर 47 सालमा स्थायी भएर हालसम्म निरन्तर रूपमा मैले त्यस विद्यालयमा सेवा गरिरहेको छु। र जब नियुक्ति लिने बेला मेरो बुबा चाहिँ त्यस विद्यालयको व्यवस्थापन समितिको अध्यक्ष हुनुहुन्थ्यो र उहाँले मलाई चाहिँ मेरो चाहिँ विचार त्यतिखेर सुरुमा भर्खर एसएलसी दिएको अवस्थामा अन्य क्षेत्रमा लाग्ने चाहना थियो, तर बुबाले मलाई चाहिँ एउटा व्यवस्थापन समितिको हैसियतले अध्यक्षको हैसियतले भन्नुभयो कि यो विद्यालय यो चाहिँ अब काभ्रे जिल्लामा एउटा अलिकति विकट त्यस बेला धेरै टाढा, अहिले चाहिँ बिपी राजमार्गले अलिकति नजिक बनाइएको छ, तर त्यस बेलाको अवस्था चाहिँ धेरै टाढा दुर्गम भएको हुनाले त्यहाँ पढ्न आउने सङ्ख्याहरू विद्यार्थीहरू आउने सङ्ख्या अत्यन्तै कम भएको, पढ्नुपर्छ भन्ने ज्ञान नभएको अवस्थामा आफ्नै गाउँको चाहिँ शिक्षक भयो भने गाउँका भाइ बहिनीहरू बालबालिकाहरू चाहिँ पढ्न जानलाई पनि रुचाउने हुन्छ। चिने जानेको हैसियतले तिमीले चाहिँ यही स्कुलमा काम गर्नुपर्छ भनेर मैले प्राइमरी लेभलमा सुरु गरेँ, पठन पाठन गर्न सुरु गरेँ र अहिले त त्यो विद्यालय मावि भइसकेको छ र अहिले माविमा पनि पढाउँछु, तर मैले प्राविमा पनि पढाउँछु र प्रावि लेभलमा पनि। र यो प्रावि लेभल चाहिँ मेरो विचारमा के हो भने यो धेरै नै एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण लेभल हो, जहाँ चाहिँ एउटा विद्यार्थीको भविष्य निर्माण गर्नको लागि एउटा जब होइन एउटा बलियो बनाउने आधार खम्बा भनेको चाहिँ प्रावि हो। त्यसैले हामीले विशेष गरेर हामीले प्राविमा जोड दिनुपर्छ भनेर हामीहरू लागि परेर अहिले हामी अगाडि बढिरहेका छौँ। र यस क्रममा जो म एउटा प्रावि शिक्षकको हैसियतले प्रभात योञ्जन सरले चाहिँ जुन यहाँ यो मलाई चाहिँ यो अगाडि प्रस्तावित के अरे यो छनौट यो सुशीला किरण ट्याब्रियल पुरस्कारको लागि छनौटको लागि उहाँले चाहिँ जुन अगाडि बढाउनु भयो र आज यस रोटरी क्लब कान्तिपुरले सुशीला किरण ट्याब्रियल पुरस्कारको लागि चाहिँ मलाई छनौट गर्नुभयो। यो रोटरी क्लब कान्तिपुरका चाहिँ सम्पूर्ण आधिकारिक व्यक्तित्वहरूप्रति म हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्दै धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु। र
नमस्कार सबैलाई, सबै प्रोटोकल अवलोकन साथ नमस्ते एन्ड गुड इभिनिङ। यस वर्ष 2024-25 रोटरी कान्तिपुरको रजत जयन्ती पनि हो र यो विशेष वर्षको लागि क्लब प्रेसिडेन्ट बन्ने सबै साथीहरूको विश्वास र सहयोगको लागि म धेरै आभारी छु। तर यस वर्ष बितेको महसुस भएकै लागेन, क्लब प्रेसिडेन्ट भएको रमाइलो सुरु हुँदै थियो, तर भगवान् बुद्धले भनेले मिठो अनुभव हुँदा नै उठ्ने र छुट्ने बेला हो। हरेक क्लब प्रेसिडेन्टको प्रयास क्लब सम्हाल्न पाएको मितिबाट दिने बगतमा आफूले पाएको भन्दा पनि राम्रो गरेर छोड्ने प्रयास हुन्छ। त्यसैले मैले पनि आफ्नो सोच बुद्धि विवेक प्रयोग गरी क्लबलाई अगाडि बढाएको छु। त्यसैले यो मूल्याङ्कन गर्ने श्रेय तपाईहरुलाई सुम्पिँदैछु। क्लबमा काम गर्दा केही न केही विवाद आउँछ र आउन पनि नआएको होइन। यदि मैले यी कुरालाई अवसरको रूपमा लिएर पोजिटिभ स्वीकारे त्यसले कुनै पनि मेम्बरहरूले अन्यथा नलिनुहोला। गएको वर्ष साथीहरूको सहयोगबाट क्लबमा भएको कामहरुबारे म छोटो वर्णन गर्न मन लाग्यो। क्लबबाट हरेक वर्ष दिएको शैक्षिक छात्रवृत्ति करिब 350 विद्यार्थीलाई वितरण गरियो। नुवाकोटको 2 सामुदायिक विद्यालयको क्यापेसिटी बिल्डिङमा आर्थिक सहयोग कायम रहेको छ। बेनीघाट रोलाइन गाउँपालिका मजिमटार ढाडीको पिपुल डाँडा अवस्थित अति दुर्गम कमजोर आर्थिक अवस्था भएको चेपाङ गाउँमा करिब 150 घरमा चिम्नी हुड स्टोभ जलान गरे जारी छ। यस कार्यको अनुमानित 30 लाख खर्च लाग्ने र अब आउने 6 महिनाभित्र सम्पन्न गर्ने लक्ष्य राखेको छ। तर त्यो जुन गाउँमा यो चिम्नी बिल्डिङ गर्न जाँदाखेरि त्यहाँको चाहिँ नि जुन चेपाङहरूको अवस्था धेरै नै दैनिक देखेर हामी अरू केही पनि गरौँ भन्ने यहाँ हाम्रो थियो। जस्तै अस्ति हाम्रो प्रोजेक्ट डाइरेक्टर ध्रुवजी अब दिल्ली जानुभएको थियो। यस्तो दैनिक अवस्था छ कि त्यो चेपाङ गाउँमा त्यहाँ 37 घरहरू छ। एक छाक पनि खान नपाउनेहरू मान्छे छन्। यस्तो अवस्था कि हेर्नै नसक्ने भन्दै थियो हामी अस्ति पिछले लागि। र हामी 37 वटै घरलाई अहिले सबैले चाहिँ त्यहाँको बाइक डाटाहरू सबै कलेक्सन गर्दैछौँ। र त्यो गाउँलाई नै हामी पुरा हामी रोटरीले चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ नि रोटरी भिलेज जस्तो एकदम त्यसलाई चाहिँ डेभलप गर्ने प्रोग्राममा छौँ। हामी गर्छौँ भनेपछि तर टाइमले मैले धेरै गर्न सकेन। अब आउँदो अरू हामी चाहिँ नि हेल्थ क्याम्प गर्ने र आई क्याम्प गर्ने हामी चाहिँ प्रोग्राममा छौँ। हाम्रो यो छ। अर्को वातावरणकै सिलसिलामा जिरो वेस्ट अवेरनेस र युथ लिडरसिप ट्रेनिङ पहिलो पटक विधि संस्थान र केही रोटरी क्लब र डिस्ट्रिक्ट मिली काठमाडौँमा गर्यौँ। यी माथिका कार्यहरू स्वच्छ वातावरणलाई टेवा पुर्याउने काम क्लबले सम्पन्न गरेको छ। गत वर्ष रोसी क्षेत्रमा विनाशकार बाढीले गरिएको क्षतिमा क्लबले डिस्ट्रिक्ट आह्वानमा आर्थिक सहयोग गर्यो र साथै सोही क्षेत्रमा ढुडीखेल वार्ड नम्बर 2 का मेयर र वार्डका अधिकारीहरूका रोगहरूमा अस्थायी बसोबासका लागि करिब 5 लाखको बराबरको जस्ता पाटाहरू वितरण गर्यो। साथै सोही क्षेत्रमा आर्थिक आर्जनका निमित्त तालिम प्राप्त महिलाहरूको लागि लुगा सिउने मेसिन वितरण गर्यो। यस कार्यमा सहयोगको लागि रोटरी हाम्रो किरण प्याग्रोजीलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। महिलाकै हकमा पूर्वी नेपालमा ग्लोबल ग्रान्ट अन्तर्गत 16 वटा बर्थिङ सेन्टरलाई इक्विपमेन्ट सपोर्ट र ट्रेनिङ सम्पन्न भएको छ। यसको उपलब्धि र सन्तुष्टिबाट विदेशी रोटरी क्लबहरूको सहयोगमा केही दिन अगाडि करिब $1 लाख ग्लोबल ग्रान्टको एडभान्स बर्थिङ ट्रेनिङ रोटरी इन्टरनेसनलबाट स्वीकृति भएको अवगत गराउँछु। सेवामा कुनै पनि काम सानो या ठुलो हुँदैन र क्लबले धेरै सम्पन्न गरिएको कामको बारे धेरै वर्णन गर्न समय लिन चाहन्छु। तर मैले छुट्याउनै नहुने कुरा चाहिँ कान्तिपुरमा यसै वर्ष स्काउट्सहरूको लागि तीजको विशेष कार्यक्रम राख्ने सुरुवात भएको छ। जाँदै सम्पूर्ण मेम्बर स्काउट्स रोट्र्याक इन्टर्याक्ट दान दिन मेरा परिवार विशेष गरी सङ्गिनी गायत्रीलाई यो यात्रामा सहयोग गरेकोमा सधैँ आभारी हुनेछु तथा मलाई साथ दिने मेरा सहयोगी रोटरी प्रभात योजना सृष्टिलाई पनि धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। अन्त्यमा आउनु प्रेसिडेन्ट कुलसान र उहाँको टिमलाई बधाई शुभकामना र सम्पूर्ण साथीलाई धन्यवाद दिँदै तपाईँहरूको माझबाट बिदा दिन चाहन्छु। जय कान्तिपुर, जय रोटरी।
Namaste, Tasidele, good evening and Jojolapa. Thank you, District Governor, Council of Governors, dignitaries, President, club members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today for this important event. And now it's my distinct honor to introduce President Kunsang Lama. Before that, I would like to share something. Did a little research on how an important, successful person life history is presented. Discussed with Kunsang, and I told him, Kunsang, the latest fashion is to mention that one has gone through difficulty, struggling phase in your life, like walking 10 kilometers daily to get to your college, and in the middle you are forced to depart from college dropout. Kunsang said, Shravan, I already finished my bachelor's degree and I was never required to walk 10 kilometers daily. At the town, city I lived and studied was quite small. He added, Shravan, you're much younger and may think in present day style, but in my times, simplicity, seriousness, sincerity and being responsible were key factors. This is Kunsang, a warm and kind-hearted, generous and simple man. Kunsang finished schooling from Mussoorie, India and graduated from St. Anthony's College in Shillong, India. He opened Hotel Excelsior in 1990 in the heart of Tamil, when nobody thought Tamil would be the most popular tourist joint after 30 years. Since then, he has been associated with the Hotel Association of Nepal. He has always had a long-standing commitment to quality, service and played an important role in promoting Nepal tourism. People describe him as approachable, humble, and always willing to lend a helping hand. Kunsang's unwavering dedication to social upliftment is evident from his long-standing role as chairman of the NGO Mighty Ratna Nepal since 1999. This NGO transformed Jandoti School, Mustang, from primary school into high school, which expanded educational opportunities for the students in the region. He also spearheaded and established an apple farm in Ghiling, Upper Mustang, planting over 2,200 apple trees, proceeds of which go directly into supporting the Janjoti School. He has been an active member of RCK since 2008, a devoted family man. He is married to Mrs. Jigme Choden and is the proud father of 2 beautiful daughters. His hobby is trekking, traveling, and much to his wife's dismay, enjoys watching football, cricket, and Formula 1. Kunsang, having wealth of experience, always try to do something impactful to society. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm welcome to our President Kunsang Lama, and I also request him to deliver his acceptance address. Thank you.
Anyway, good evening and namaste. District Governor Vinod Koirala and Ann Biba Koirala, Council of Governors, District Secretaries, Assistant Governors, District Officials, Rotaracts, Interacts, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow Rotarians. As I step into this role of President of Rotary Club of Kantipur, I do so with deep sense of gratitude and responsibility. Excuse me. I'll read that again. As I step into the role of President of Rotary Club of Kantipur, I do so with deep sense of gratitude, responsibility and purpose. Having been a proud member of this club for the past 17 years, I have witnessed its remarkable growth, countless achievements and the unwavering spirit of service that binds us all together. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to IPP Divya Manchester and Prabhat Johnson for their service and dedication during the eventful Rotary year 2024-25. As I begin this journey, I am filled with enthusiasm and determination to build upon the strong foundation laid before me. My commitment is to lead with integrity, vision and conclusivity, raising the bar for what we can achieve as a club. We are a diverse group of professionals united by shared mission. to serve our community, uplift the underprivileged, and bring meaningful change to those in need. As leaders in our fields, it is important that we set a strong example for the next generation, demonstrating that leadership is not just about success, but about service, empathy, and a lasting commitment to the great good. One of our priorities this year will be to grow our membership. However, while we aim to welcome new faces, we will continue to emphasize quality over quantity, ensuring every member is engaged, empowered, and aligned with Rotary core values. We will work diligently to ensure that all ongoing projects are carried forward to successful completion. I am especially excited to collaborate with our dynamic Rotary members whose passion and energy continue to inspire us. We feel welcome and encourage those in Rotary to feel ready to take the next step to consider joining the Rotary Club of Kantipur. This year I hope to elevate the Mustang Apple project as our club's signature initiative. In the past, we proudly supported this project by securing international funding from Australia, and I believe it holds immense potential. I am particularly optimistic about the future of Gillings School in Mustang, which I envision becoming a leading educational institution in the region. In addition to supporting the apple farm, we are now planning to grow more trees for reforestation. Our goal is to help transform the surrounding landscape, bringing greenery to the hills and creating a lasting positive environmental impact. In closing, let me say that I am truly honored and humbled to serve as your president. I look forward to working closely with our board, committees, and each and every one of you as we strive to make a lasting difference. Thank you for your trust, your continued support. Let us make this Rotary year to remember, a year of purpose, partnership, and progress. Thank you, and enjoy the evening.
This is Pavitra Ramsan. It's a very small total amount, but I hope you will cut it. It's 100,000 rupees. We have decided to give, actually two of us have decided to give each year one for male, one for female teacher, 100,000 rupees each. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Vinod Koirala, a resident of Pokhara, Nepal, did his master's degree in science and health education from Tribhuvan University, Nepal. He is also diploma holder in humanitarian assistant from Fordham University in New York, USA. Vinod is happily married to Viva and blessed with daughter Pipasha and son Vishesh. Vinod has a friendly nature and simple character which makes him easy to approach and thus is a team leader.
Respected President Kuijang Dorjela, Club First Lady Jigna Chedri, IPP Divyaman Sechi, Council of Governors, First Ladies, District Officers, past president and members of Rotary Club of Kantipur, Rotaract, Interact, and other dignitaries who present here. Sabhata paila, I would like to express my gratitude and congratulations to IPP DPG for his excellent job that he did in 2024-25. Congratulations, and hopefully you continue your support to the year 2025-26 equally as your president's tenure. And congratulations to President Kuijan Dorje Lamaji for taking the president role for 2025-26. Wish you all the best for you and your team. And I want to express best wishes and congratulations from RI President Francisco Araujo for your successful tenure as president of this prestigious Rotary Club RC Kantipur. And while listening IPP and the plan presented by newly installed president, I'm very proud that you are focusing very needy areas that we have to address our communities, which are education. Of course, you are encouraging teachers from primary schools, so awarding them not only encourage themselves, but it gives message to many other primary schools. Thank you for that, and I hope that will be continued in coming days. Kiran Dai and his spouse are very thankful, supporting school teachers through this camp. Also, health, that is a very essential, very needy area where Rotary can contribute. We can contribute as complement and supplement to the government endeavor, their practices. The birthing center, supporting birthing center through global grant, that's very appreciated. I think the new president will continue what they did. They approved grant will be implemented properly. Environment is also very important one that you practiced, improve cooking. But I encourage you to go to electric one. That is my priority for this year as well, because we have our own production, hydroelectricity, and for environment is the best option, and it's economically very cheap comparing to LP gas, and we can't compare with the firewood and other type of cooking fuel that we have been practicing. And at least we support to our countries, not only in our household economy, but also we are contributing to the country to save some money, sending India to buy LP gas. So if it's possible, please try to look on that, practice by your work, and you can give message to other members and your friends as well. Friends, for district, we have some priorities. Of course, clubs are free to come up with your own projects which meet Rotary and Rotary Foundation priorities. But from district side, we encourage clubs to give attention and take reference to few projects that we have proposed, which are in education, of course, computer lab, girls' toilet, school teachers training and IT, adult education, that we have resources and we want to support clubs on these activities. Please take that advantage and go on that. And health, of course, disability, supporting disability is one of our priority, and also focusing women health. Basically, cancer being big problems, mainly cervical cancer and breast cancer. So we encourage from district side, I encourage you to focus on that. Also uterus prolapse, which is still stigma in many places. Women, they don't want to show that they have that kind of problems. We have to dig out them who have problem and try to provide services where they are living. And environment, as I already mentioned, that will be the e-cooking project will be priority one, and I'm targeting 10,000 electric cooking in 2025-26. And my aim is many clubs do this kind of projects, and we can collectively present all the electric cooking project as a one project, and we can claim per your carbon credit. So for carbon credit, those who pollute they pay, and who absorb and who reduce the carbon emission, they can get it. Business forums are there in international arena. I had made some connection with them, and they will be supporting us in this. So I'm trying, at least to make a project where 10,000 households are transferred from firewood to electric. So we can go for claim. So let's hope if we can try that, it can give masses to the government and many other organizations. Even private sector can put money on that and practice, to go for this business. My humble request to you, you already introduced one new member, and I heard, on August 1st you have Charter Day, and most probably I'll do DG officials visit on that day. And the club is already trying to bring more members, right? So my request is, please try to get as many members as possible, because we need more Rotarians, not clubs but Rotarians, that I encourage every club to increase members. And my humble request is, while you hand over your presidency, make at least +1 in your club, whatever the members that you get, that you got in the 1st July. At least you have to put +1 while you are handing over to Bro Vishnu Dai. So I wish you all the best for that. Friends, another priority and new initiation indeed for 25-26 is tourism. We Rotarian, we travel a lot in abroad. I think every one of us is traveling here and there. We get platform, Rotary platform and other platform to talk about our country, to talk about the beauty that we have in our country. But we are not utilizing that properly, and we don't have, many of us, we don't have key points, key notes that we can deliver to them, and also the video clip and other materials. So this year we are trying to work with Nepal Tourism Board, getting their resources, and while we are traveling, maybe we disseminate our tourism activities, tourism attraction in Nepal, which may support to give good masses in international arena, which encourage many foreigners, they come and visit our country. On top of that, internally we travel here and there. On 1st July we had the DC installation in Pokhara. About 500 people went there, about 200 from my area from Pokhara, and 300 came from different cities, and large number came from Kathmandu, and I'm very thankful for that. These kind of activities also promote tourism, internal tourism. And besides that, many clubs, they have international partner. Because of the project that we have been doing, our international partner, they like to come Nepal, and there is of course additional reason for them to come and visit Nepal and time and again. So in such occasions also, we can give something new experience to them, which further encourage to disseminate good messages of our country in abroad. So through Rotary platform, I am very optimistic we can promote our tourism. Besides that, I have a request to you. Most of us have our friends, relatives in abroad. They are well established, they have good reputation, they have good connection. Please encourage them to join Rotary clubs over there, so they get platform to talk about country, to talk about Rotary activities in Nepal, our need, and they can find resources over there. They can bridge clubs in abroad to Nepalese club, so we can get more funding, we can get more resources, and we can perform better service projects in Nepal, which is our need, our community's need, and we have to be capable for that, and we are committed for that. So I encourage you all, please talk to your friends, talk to your relatives, and ask them to join Rotary Club wherever they are. And another thing, I'm trying, to expand our approach, not only limited, not only working in our limitation, but expand our the activities. So partnering with different organizations, non-Rotary organizations. For that, I'm planning to organize project fair in October, November in Kathmandu. We'll come up with a particular date soon where we can show what Rotary clubs are doing in Nepal, the best projects that we have been doing in water and sanitation, health, education, environment, and many things that we have been doing. So we'll make collection of such good activities and we'll show to be other Rotary clubs as well as non-Rotary organizations to the government, of course, and we'll try to bring more Rotarian friends to come Nepal at that time. From my side also, I try to bring my guests, Rotarian friends, and I also encourage different clubs. Please ask them to come at that time to Nepal so that they can see what Rotary is doing, and at the same time, clubs can present their good projects where our international partners might be interested, so we can make connection and we can do more projects. And it will not limit only to Rotary arena, but we can expand other organizations like UN, other different embassies, INGOs, etc. because they need reliable partner to work. And CSR is another example. Dineshji is working very hard on that. We already did 3 MOU to 3 different organizations to work with their CSR. So they give CSR to us, and at least 50% or 100%, whatever they give, we put 100%, and no administrative, no overhead, because as you know, what we practice in Rotary, all goes to needy people for right way, for right cause. So it will be promoted at that project fair as well. Thank you so much for your support. Wish you all the best. You are a fantastic club, one of the very vibrant club in the district. I'm very much hopeful to get your support in the districts, to support clubs in outside the country as well, to work in partnership. Thank you so much. Good luck. Have a wonderful year.
Shrestha proposed the toast for the good health of Christian towns and the model, and for the peace and prosperity for the people of Nepal.
Now I would like to propose a toast. I, President Kusum Dorje Lama, propose a toast for the good health of Rotary International President 2526, Rotarian Francisco Arezzo, and spouse Anna Maria Crescione, and for the growth of Rotary International.
रोटरी क्लब अफ तिनकुने काठमाडौँ प्रस्तुत गर्दछ रोटरी सम्बन्धी विविध समाचार, विचार एवं संवादलाई समेटिएको कार्यक्रम जय रोटरी।